Well, hi guys. We're preparing for an awful storm that's coming, and guess what? Look, bananas, nada, nothing, zero, zilch. Everyone's been here today. Even look, apples, they usually overflow over there. Spinach, that kind of stuff, lettuce, arugula, you name it, gone. Look, tomatoes, Flavor Bomb, $5.99, gone. Expensive ones, still here, $2.99, gone, gone. Oranges, look how much the stores. Look at this. Tomatoes, gone, gone, gone. Lucky people who came early got all the food, so we're gonna get nothing, and we needed bananas for our smoothies, but they're not here. We are the people who couldn't get here early by no fault of our own. So we're expecting a big storm tomorrow, Saturday from 10 a.m. till Monday 6 p.m. 12 to 18 inches plus the wind, which makes snowdrifts, which could be 2 to 3 feet. This really sucks. Let's look over here. We need some apples. Gone. We need an avocado. They're hard to find. Look, even the organic apples are gone. Apples, bananas, they're gone too. Is this unbelievable? There's nothing left. All the people in the day came and got all the stuff. So, I don't know what's going to happen here. Doesn't look good for our smoothies, does it, Polly?
Nope.
Nope. Let's look more. See, this is a bust avocado, and it dropped on the floor out of the bag. Can you imagine? But I'm still getting it. Let's put it on the scale and see how much we have to pay for this only avocado. The others are all dark, and I don't think, I forgot the number. No, wrong number. Good Lord, the machines aren't even working. They've been on overload. Okay, enter. How many? Only one. The rest are hard or they're too dark. Press enter. $1.49 for one measly, tiny, incy, fancy avocado. Sucks. Look at this. No food. What's going on here? All because of a storm. Okay, well, I guess nobody eats cucumbers in a storm because look at that. They got tons.
Unfortunately.
It's official. The bananas are gone.
The bananas, the 5-pound white potatoes,
Potatoes, yeah.
and the majority of our onions.
Yeah. Onions?
Yeah.
Wow.
We got our couple bowls of red onions up there, and that's it.
That's it. Well, thank you, sir.
And carrots.
Okay. You know, this is screwed up and I don't know how to edit, so God knows what's going to happen. But it's official, there's no bananas. Hopefully I'm not saying this twice. Only cucumbers, which will not take the place of banana. There could be a joke there, but I'm not going to make it because this is a family channel, so I guess we'll get a cucumber. Or one measly cucumber. I don't know what is wrong with the phone. It keeps stopping and starting. But anyhow, it's not a banana. So we're screwed on the smoothies. So anyhow, for now, we gotta hurry up before there's no food left. Thumbs up, subscribe below, hit the notification button. Don't forget to share. Sharing is caring. Pay it forward, it feels good in your heart. Keep your fingers crossed for us that the storm isn't as bad as they said. Look, now I lost the sticker. I'm so stressed out about the bananas. But we will let you know. So thanks for watching, and if you're in an area that's gonna get the storm, good luck, stay safe. Bye for now, guys and girls.